Event 2024. Why is iPhone 16 expected to be a divisive phone in Apple's history? Users are highly anticipating the Apple event. It's glow time on September 9th. The Cupertino-based tech giant is soon to unveil a few innovative devices that will become a major force in the entire tech industry. However, it's expected to be the most divisive iPhone in history. It's claimed to feature several variants of phones, depending on where you purchase it. Due to a recent law passed in the European Union, Apple was compelled to fragment the experience. According to the law, users from different parts of North America are likely to have an unrestricted user experience. So which features will be announced for European iPhone 16 users at Apple Event 2024? The EU's Digital Market Act, which is also known as gatekeepers, are unable to lock their customers into a few pieces of hardware or software to promote enhanced competition, which means that iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro in Europe would be dissimilar than the United States variant. iPhone 16 is likely to be launched with a few default app sections where users will be able to uninstall any stock browser whenever they want and get their preferred one. Moreover, they will be allowed to install any third-party app such as Alt Store. The Cupertino-based tech giant has been constantly rejecting this claim of willingly applying these modifications, reasoning it as privacy concerns. Meanwhile, according to Bloomberg's report, Apple is concerned that the interoperability requirements of the DMA could force us to compromise the integrity of our products in ways that risk user experience and data security. A few months ago, Apple also confirmed that the cutting-edge Apple Intelligence won't be available in the specific regions that are expected to get the top billing in the upcoming Apple Event 2024. It's glow time because of regulatory uncertainties announced by DMA.